Hey everyone, Keith Katz, Quality Service Center. What do you do on a cold day like this? Well, if you come to work here today, you're pulling a big engine out of this Cadillac here, 06 Cadillac. Had a little issue here, and this is just a reminder to everybody how important it is this day and age now. I mean, I'm a little bit older, and I grew up where you never had to pump your own gas, or you didn't have to pump your own gas. You had people pumping it for you, and then they would check the oil for you and things like that. And well, yeah, I know I'm an old man, but those days are kind of gone, and now it's really your responsibility to keep your oil checked. And unfortunately, this Cadillac ran out of oil. Enough so that here's a timing chain. Timing chain broke, went right through the valve cover. If you look down in here, I don't know if you can see these pieces down here, pieces of the rocker arms broke. All the valves on that one side are bent, pushed up. So unfortunately, the only thing you can do with this, because of all the damage, is replace the engine. So that's what we're doing. It's a pretty big job, as you can see. Everything came out up top there, and is now sitting down here waiting to be taken off of the cradle and then new engine put on. So just a reminder that when you're out there getting gas and whatnot, check your oil from time to time. Car still can burn oil. You don't want to be stuck with something like this. I won't even tell you what this thing's going to cost, but it's more than $100. So Keith Katz with Quality Service Center, a tip for you to keep your oil checked, keep it changed, so you don't end up like this. Hey, take care now.